A for
apple,
B for
ball,
C for
cat,
D for
dog,
E for
Alice,
F for
fish,
G for
brush,
H for
pen,
hunt, I for
again,
J for
duck,
K for K for
cat,
kite, L for
lolly,
lion, M for
monkey,
N for
nuts,
nest, O for
obey,
orange, P for
packet,
parrot, Q for
king,
queen, very good Aru. R for
rabbit,
rabbit, S for बोल दे पहले, क्या होता है S for
sheep,
sheep, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for violin, W for watch, X for box, very good, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra.